Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So if you wanna use the assistant by press and hold to the power key button, you should first open the settings app and then scroll down to the advanced features. Then click to the side key, and to use the Wake Wixby assistant, you should switch power off menu to the Wake Wixby. Now press and hold the power key button, and we can see that the Wixby option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Just to change it to the power off menu, once again switch Wake Wixby to the power off menu. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.